Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuel pump control module, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Guys, the fuel pump control module, fuses and relays. There will be a lot of them that we need to check. We'll need to check multiple ones. I think up to 6 different fuses and relays. It should work both on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban, since they're built on the same platform guys. Practically the only difference, the Suburban is longer. Now, quick reminder guys, most people that have one of these do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in it. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. Go ahead, open the hood, and here facing the engine on the right side, you see here the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have that easy to access fuse box. Open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, what we need to check, up to 6 different components. Now, where they're located guys, you wonder. You may have all of them, you may have some of them, it really depends on which model engine you have, but right here you may have, okay, one that's known as a relay number 9. If you have it, check it guys. If you don't, it's okay. Another one that you need to check is fuse number 22 guys. 22 now, okay, will be, if you come in this row right here, that's 25, 24, 23, 22. You may have that one too. Again, it depends on which model you have. Another one that you need to check is 25. This is a very important fuse, a 30 fuse here. Next, you need to check guys fuse number 68. So 68 guys, we're going to come in that section now, right here, and 68, okay, let me show you exactly where it is, because here things are a little bit confusing. That's relay 92, 84, so let me see, 84, that's right, that's 83. You're going to have here fuse 82. So after that, okay, you're going to have, you may have a fuse right here, that will be fuse 68, the one under the 30 amp fuse. If you have that one, check it. If not, it's okay. You will need to check fuse 117. Some of you may have that one, and 117 guys, will be if you have it. Okay, let me just see here clearly exactly where it's going. It will be right here, 117. We don't have that one. Another one is 120. That will be a relay for any of you. It will be this one here. Some of you might just end up having only that fuse. Some of you may have extra relays and fuses. It really depends on which model, year and engine you have as well, but those will be all your options, guys. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.